Welcome to our instructional video on how to factorize the equation x squared plus 7x plus 12. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step solution to factorize this quadratic equation. Let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to identify two numbers that add up to 7 and multiply to 12. These numbers will help us rewrite the middle term of the quadratic equation. To find these numbers, we look for pairs of factors of 12. The pairs are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. The pair that adds up to 7 is 3 and 4. So, we can rewrite the middle term, 7x, as 3x plus 4x. This gives us the expression x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Step 2. Now that we have rewritten the equation as x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12, the next step is to group the terms in pairs. We will group x squared plus 3x and 4x plus 12. This allows us to factor by grouping. Rewriting the equation as x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 grouped as x squared plus 3x bracket and 4x plus 12 bracket, and then factoring out the greatest common factor from each pair. In the first group x squared plus 3x, the greatest common factor is x. So we factor out x from x squared plus 3x, giving us x multiplied by open bracket x plus 3. Close bracket. In the second group 4x plus 12, the greatest common factor is 4. So we factor out 4 from 4x plus 12, giving us 4 multiplied by open bracket x plus 3. Close bracket. This alters the equation to x multiplied by open bracket x plus 3. Close bracket plus 4 multiplied by open bracket x plus 3. Close bracket. Since x plus 3 is a common factor in both terms, we can factor it out, resulting in open bracket x plus 3, close bracket multiplied by open bracket x plus 4, close bracket. Therefore, the equation x squared plus 7x plus 12 factored is open bracket x plus 3, close bracket multiplied by open bracket x plus 4, close bracket. You have reached the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.